Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, this is part 2 of my review for OneDaySaving, and we are going to be starting this gorgeous picture of the pink flowers, and I'll be starting right up here in this corner, and the color is 3845. Yeah. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. Mine's been kind of quiet. No big deal, though. Kind of like it quiet that way. But, yeah, didn't get too much accomplished yesterday at all. Got the big trash out. I know, isn't that exciting as heck? I know you tuned in just to hear about the trash. Yeah, no. Oh, goodness. I did stitch on the 12 Jingling Ladies. I believe that's what it was actually called. That's that 14 count of the 12 ladies that I got from AliExpress. And I also worked on the 12 Golden Ladies. Still trying to finish up that plant, bush, whatever it is. Yeah, so we're getting there. Slow but sure. This color is about the same as that symbol. That'll be fun. But at least it just goes around the edge, so I think we got this. Watch some Netflix and some YouTube stuff. And just kind of relaxed. I did get a 2-hour nap, so that was pretty good. It wasn't freezing yesterday. I mean, the sun came out and then it got all cloudy and we lost the mountains. You know, it got cloudy over the mountains, but if it snowed, it didn't leave a trace of it. So yeah, and then the sun came out again, so here we are. So we'll see what today will be like. But I'm glad it wasn't windy and all that. I think it was a little bit windy overnight, but not horrible bad like it has been sometimes. So yeah, looking forward to a great day. Don't know what I'll be working on today though. Haven't made any big decisions. I was going to sit in my chair, but yeah, that didn't happen. I was often doing house chores and that kind of thing, so I forgot all about it. Then I laid down for a nap, and when I got up, it was dark. Yeah. Because it was already 5:30. Did make my red chili yesterday and had that for like lunchish, if you will, and dinner. So that was really good. I'm gonna have to put some of that away so that I have some in case I want some burritos, because usually that's what I use it for. Most of the time. Sometimes I like a bowl of chili, especially when it's freezing cold outside. You kind of want something to warm you up. But yeah, it was not too exciting yesterday. But I did get some good stitching time in, so I put on something on Netflix that I've seen 100 times and just sit there and stitch. Or I will put some music on. Someone was asking me what stitching method I use. I use the sewing method. if and when all possible. And I'm going to pull this in really close. Let me move this over just a tad and move this way. So how I do that is, okay, this is sitting sideways, but my first cross is going to go from here to that way. So I put the needle through there, pull it up. Then this one, we're in the same square. Just come over to the bottom hole and pull it through. And then to go on to the next, I tip it up and go into the corner where I was just at, which is the lower left, and pull it out. Then I just repeat, because my arm will not allow me to go up, come up and then go back down like that, and then come up in the lower corner like that, because usually the thread is much longer and it just kills my shoulder. So that's why I use this sewing method. And if you type in sewing method in where my videos are, there should come up a couple of tutorials on how I do the sewing method. So hopefully that'll help. But I found it much easier for me personally to do it this way than the up and down method. Oops. Sure, the pretty blue. Let me pull you back out just a tad so we're not right on top of everything. Whoops. And then I just go through a couple stitches on the bottom and cut it off. And that is how I stitch 95% of the time. Got my little bear. She's got her little blue shirt on. She's got a little flower in her hair. Yep. I like those little wooden needle minders. They're so cute. Thank you for whoever sent those to me. I love, love, love them. And as you well know, I usually use them on the smaller ones because they're nice and lightweight. They work out well. But today she had blue on and she had a flower in her hair, so here we are. I had to get all this all folded up in one area because it just was way too big to leave undone. I do love those clips though. Those are the best thing I've gotten in a long, long time. And I've probably been using them for the past 2 years, maybe more. I just love them, and they're cheap. And they work great. Trying to figure out where the hole is. It's kind of black right there, so I couldn't see what I was doing. This had a nice big area, so I thought this would be a good place to start. And you know how I love my blues. I watched Jill yesterday. That's Jill Green here on YouTube. She was doing a Lego set. I've seen them different ones than she had. Lego set that had little, you made little flower pot things. Holy cow, I would have lost my mind. Yeah, those have been in the trash real quick. They're cute, but I just don't have that kind of patience. Some days, yes. Some days, not so much. But they were pretty when she got it done. I just never get that far. All those pieces and parts. My goodness gracious. Oh, come on. This fabric definitely needs to be crunched from top to bottom. It's a little stiff and kind of thick. I'd say I don't know if that's an 1/8 of an inch. I'm trying to hold it thick, or maybe 1/16 of an inch. Yeah, it's pretty thick. But it crunches nice. I have made this, you can see it's kind of got a wrinkle in it. Corner a little bit easier and pliable. But as I keep working on it, it will get softer as we go along. Whoop. Missed the whole thing. Turning out nice. They always have good threads in the Mona Lisa kits. Another one that I didn't realize was a Mona Lisa kit. I don't know if you remember. It's called, I call it the Cat and the Fish. You can type that in my search on my channel, and it'll come up. This cat, and he's pawing at this fish on a, looks like a fishing line. Could be one of those cat toy type things. And then it has some kids and a little bit of scenery down in here. Yeah, I haven't worked on that in a while. I know right where it's at, though. But that is also a Mona Lisa kit. It's got a little bit more confetti in it than this. I'm anxious to see what the flowers will look like, but it wasn't conducive to start on the flowers today. They're closer or further into right about where that is at. It's where they've started. So it was a little much to start with. It's easier to start on the edge. So we'll just put all the colors here. And, you know, by then it'll be nice and crunched down. So yeah, I'd say it was a really good kit. But like I said in my other video, I had never seen this kit before. It kind of reminded me of the Yishu kits. I could just talk. You know, with the real pretty pictures. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like. And I'm hoping all the 22 colors will meld together well. Can't believe tomorrow is Monday already. It is just outrageous. These 4 days just go like water. Just unbelievable. But we're not real busy at work, so unfortunately that makes for a longer day, but yeah. Summer is like completely the opposite. It's just busy from start to finish. So, yeah. But it's a fairly easy job. It's not real hard. Whoops. So that's why I like it. It gets me out of the house. Get to see people. It's my social hour. What can I say? Social hours. I get 24 of those a week. Yeah. And then the rest of the time it seems like I'm in the house, you know, just staying in the house, stitching or diamond painting or beading or whatever. Yeah. All right. Let me bring it down just a little bit and then we'll come out. Whoop. So yeah, laid down real nice. Nice and soft threads. They're not overly soft, you know. I've had some that were terribly overly soft, and oh my goodness, things about 6 times, you know, pulling it through. Them puppies are just shred. But this is not like that. So good quality thread, nice canvas, nice pattern. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.